How to use Google Authenticator app. First of all, go to your App Store and on the searching bar, search for Google Authenticator. There you'll see Get option. Simply hit on the Get option. Once your Google Authenticator app is downloaded, there you will see Open button instead of Get. Simply hit on Open button. Now, your Google Authenticator is opened. Now, if your GitHub or any other application is linked with Google Authenticator, then code will be set over here. You have to enter this code on your application and then your application will start working. In this way, you can use Google Authenticator app. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.